until this time that they have qualified to go to represent Kenya in the East African Games. We've provided that good environment in terms of they are free to come to the field anytime they are not in class. Over the weekend, they will go training in the high altitude areas, and very early in the morning, you'll find them here in the field. Late in the night, at around 10 o'clock, 10:30, you'll find them in the gym trying to build their muscles.
Currently number 2 in this country in terms of rugby, and right now we have the great opportunity to go play in the East Africa Cup. For the last couple of weeks since we came in through the nationals, we've been preparing in terms of making sure our boys have a change of diet, in terms of gymming and work as well, in terms of working out their bulk and trying to bulk them up a little bit. We know we're going to be playing with East Africa's giants within this region, within this competition, so we need to be a little bit much more prepared for them. The thing is that this is going to be our first experience in terms of international games, so it's something which I know we are trying to make sure that we get our boys covered. So from high altitude training, that's one of the things we've been doing. We make sure we chopper laps with them up the hill and down. Of course, Embu is a fantastic environment for rugby and for high altitude training as well. The rest is just to do with our coach.
Our boys are physically fit. We have called many training sessions as we are preparing them for the East African Games. So last term, they put their best foot forward that in the sub-county we were the champions, county we were the champions, in the regional we were the champions as well. Then at national level we were the second runners-up. And as we are preparing for the East Africa, we are expecting to be the winners. We will be the one to raise the Kenyan flag. Last year we participated the rugby sevens, and we were also the champions of the sub-county, that is Embu West. County of Embu, we were the champion. At the regional level also we were the champions. At the national level we were position 6. Now when it comes to this one, rugby 15, this is our first time to play, to participate, since most of these players, by the way, are Form 1s, Form 2s and Form 3s. So this was our first time to try for rugby 15s, and by the grace of God, they've given us a chance to appear in the East African for the first time.
Tumejiprepare kuenda East Africa. Tuko ready, tumekuwa tukifanya training vizuri, kila kitu iko sawa. Tumeperfect moves zetu, kila kitu. Tulilearn mistakes kutoka nationals. Tumeziamend, kila kitu iko sawa. Tunatarajia tukifika East Africa tushinde, tuende more than East Africa. Alafu the boys wako physically fit vile mwalimu alisema, kila kitu iko sawa. Tulifanya maybe at that time at the nationals hatukuwa strong, hatukuwa tunajiamini, but tulilearn kutoka kwa timu kama Butula wenye walikuwa wanajiamini, walishinda game zao zote. Pia sisi tulilearn kitu kutoka kwao. It's all about mindset. Ukifanya kila kitu sawa, mambo itakuwa tu sawa. Tuna expect kupatana nao ya challenge maybe ni Uganda. Juu pia wako strong. Wase walianza rugby kitambo, ilianza maybe pia walianza kitambo. Lakini pia sisi hatusema tuko mbaya. Pia sisi tuko sawa juu tulianza hii rugby tukiwa watoto, na tunaamini tutashinda. Yeah. Sisi kutoka tukiwa watoto tumekuwa kucheza 7s, hatujicheza 15s. So ilikuwa first attempt yetu, na hata tunashukuru tu Mungu juu tulia nationals, we were position 2 na kila kitu ilikuwa sawa. Yeah. Nao wajue tuko na tunakuja, lazima tushinde ikombe, lazima tuilete Embu. Yeah.
What I could say it's just that we are happy to go to East Africa, and we represent our country very well, and we just pray to God that we may become the winners. Yeah. Let's say we are 100% prepared.